If you have plantar fasciitis, you know how very painful it can be. Having dealt with plantar fasciitis pain for years, I know firsthand. I was in so much pain one day trying to walk up the stairs of a community pool. I thought for sure I had somehow broken my foot or ankle swimming. I've taken my personal experience and what I've learned in my years as a certified yoga teacher and yoga therapist to create a 4-point approach to help heal your plantar fasciitis. Yoga for plantar fasciitis isn't just about stretching. It's a 360-degree look at the roots of the problem and includes my 4-point approach: posture and gait corrections, strength and flexibility training, fascia release, and stress relief. For most people, plantar fasciitis isn't simply a foot problem. It's a muscle and fascia problem that runs the length of the back of your body. Your posture, the way you walk, your muscular imbalances, and your stress states can all make it worse. In your work with me, you'll learn easy ways to tackle all of these issues. You'll be able to get yourself out of pain and suffering and get back to living your life. Sign up for my brief video lecture to learn more about my yoga therapy approach to plantar fasciitis. Once you do, I know you'll be ready to book an appointment with me and start your healing.